Papa oyo da mensa enchen fa hai. Yeah, it is possible, pa. Why not? Doris Buabi. Very, very possible. We are coming in part 2028. It's solid. Me body ma wo hweme. Papa yo da mensa efa hai. Ana ya, ana say ya, yes. Papa yo da hai. Papa yo da hai. If any Professor Gyampo, or a university teacher, or sanso ye member of the Ghana Labor Union. Now, Papa we, MPPT akonya so. Papa yi edane ne ho koto bi anayentena se. Because kenim senka Labor Union for there, omo ye neutrals, omo ye nkrofo bi omo nyina fa, omo nyina nifa. But ye ho ana papa ya sori agiram, papa we ono nana odim nkura school for mayoa. University student, guess no, or student, university student no so there. Ayana niema na fresh, to who to say ya pack kama. Aye, yes so I slim guess na ikuye. To say yes, ya packing near my Professor Gyampo, University ho ye adwuma no. A man or more no. Or almost half of them. No, third. For third of ma omuye omukosa university no. Papa we bo modern sound mu nyina lie. Every one nyina. Ema videos be talk about na all promise university certificate in exchange of tum. Aye. Buato panami mbunshia. Sa papa we one of the members in the labor union. Enti de kwa koto ya ba normally the neutrals when our munyina fa omunyina benkum social issues beto abontra omokasa fa ho na kwanya papa we fa so ye ne de no na ano edena dodo Professor Gyampo timiba media num TV radio so na osu say gadam say say Ghana gadam say amanfo kidney gadam say sabio the oman future Professor Gyampo no otumisu kotosu enya nisu ma ne ye abusia sana ni nyina me maame ya afrempo ma akwaba de no ye nyina no na ye because of something. Entibra na gadam say ne koso no Professor Gyampo say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo should declare state of emergency now. Tie video we tie.
Not about MPP, it's not about NDC, it's about the lives of humanity, it's about the lives of Ghanaians, it's about kidneys that are failing, it's about livers that are failing. It just as we declared lockdown during COVID, let there be a certain declaration of it. It shows seriousness. Once you do that, it shows that no, you are serious. Otherwise,
a few moments later.
And the Professor Gyampo, when the MPP is in power, say the government should declare state of emergency. Papa we Jimmy Fowe and Kromfowe, Kushini way. It me born modern. I can say they will go strike. Labor Union for Ebeko strike, said Senanado and declare state of emergency. Alternative so Okasa Ohoy. Or catch them will say. Gadam saying Tokwano, a young MPP asemo, and a young DC asem. Na mom a national problem. I was a buying non fan and 90 from the declare state of emergency. It is a lockdown. I hear the COVID depression. And the Professor Gyampo dim kwasi asem we nyina no. Amela Kosabuachi number abonte me catch there said there be we onye neutral. He's working for the NDC. Oka omoso boa there be enye no kure. Oye labor union ni oye teacher ni wo university ntro man no. Oman nkoso na ohwehwe ena nkrofo we so jagu na nado so state of emergency o decree state of emergency na nado hwe lockdown wa COVID de baye the consequences e baye yegusu ayenya nwiye also ye decree another state of emergency. It is not possible. You will break down the economy of the country. And I'm saying, when him say lock a state of emergency, won't to mean declare because when you declare state of emergency, investors kura more minum no omu be dwane from minum because it say your country is not that safe. Enti to me because say no omu nimu sa anti no they no omu bisa na nado ne say only create state of emergency. Anything that Nanado will do to fight against Galamsey any state of emergency, no, they don't want it. He must to declare state of emergency, which means they wanted to put Nanado at the angle. Now more bunny yam. Yeah, bunny yam ewo kwambi so Nanado ntumi yano because you can say declare state of emergency. Every thinking president be no obeji atum ayesa ade no. Into a share that parcels at the end of the Nanado treban home angle baby near bunny yam boom boom near declared state of emergency. State of emergency. Nanado soon declare and I got to aba and then this winning. It is an candice winning aba. Now your name say Professor Gyampo a neutral or your labor union form paying for or young people. What we were expecting is say he was also going to have the same way of treating Galamsey issue. Or no, I can't say any MPP sem, any NDC sem. Now, so no me about when John Mahama came into power, the who we are say Professor Gyampo Eda Shapers Authority. On a yet Panika Krakapo. Since I had this appointment, my Professor Gyampo say wom. O can't get them say asema. No wa shas here. No cambro focus here. No wa shas here. No dan ho. No wa shas here. Na common sin so. No wa shas here. No can some outdrin who I want to say. Ebini wait.
They said a state of emergency hasn't come.
Yes, we have called for a state of emergency, and we've been told that the president, or commander-in-chief of the Ghana.
Oh, asemba akopeni ya bisao. Sabra kufuado tia kunyaso no. U Professor Gyampo na u betrans na yekese Galamsey asema. Papa no otimi su koto su mane yeye. And then state of emergency. The politicians are very criminals. The politicians are wicked. Omu tumi fa labor union for no binom. Edi omu ko shedden. And some say bebre. And then ye bisa say I didn't a state of emergency. What by now wa bon fama ya. Afe no twantro. Ya bisa ye say the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. And also free here. And no free here. Yes, state of emergency. Should Mahama declare it, that be on to me ya no more point straight. I didn't hear. Hypocritical attitude of some of these intellectuals. Akwa na oto no intellectual man kese wa Jimmy o Jimmy ye. Na dwene ye adwuma pa. But your friend intellectual dishonesty. A crime. Tiemiye. Onye Jimmy fo. Miss Bernard jete power so no mo enkwasiafo mo no mo Jimmy mo ni mu nyansa. Me kura metimi e de madwene ama mo aye niam o mo nte o mo ho ase. But we nom sa papa we oto hoy or ye intellectual dishonesty a criminal a crime against humanity so wonim de na wodi wonim de no ebe ye adwuma bone e de atia wo ankasa osesuni is a crime sa adwuma no na professor we ya odidi ma e de university diploma 7 diploma se wan e ma omo no. This is what he was doing. A agreement on what to do and what he will benefit if the party wins. And then you be Professor Gyampo say, Papa, state of emergency no, ekosi say, yenti video no nyinambom from when he was shouting on Nanado and when Mahama came into power here.
Not about MPP, it's not about NDC, it's about the lives of humanity, it's about the lives of Ghanaians, it's about kidneys that are failing, it's about livers that are failing. It just as we declared lockdown during COVID, let there be a certain declaration of it. It shows seriousness. Once you do that, it shows that no, you are serious. Otherwise,
A few moments later.
They said a state of emergency hasn't come.
Yes, we have called for a state of emergency, And we've been told that the president, or commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, will not just get up and declare a state of emergency. In fact, yes, Saturday I made this call, and we had a government official also texting in to explain that President Mahama will have to take guidance and advice from his top security heads on how to proceed on this.
So what year, Paul? John Mahama mom dear. Say ban so be declare state of emergency. On to mean sorry at once. And declare state of emergency. But he will need guardians from the top hierarchies of the security. Professor Gyampo. So what is the difference between the positioner and John Darega handler? And the another handler? What is the difference? There is no difference. What is the difference in the terms of procedures? There is no difference. What is the difference between the command or the type of powers that they have in the country? There is no difference. So why were you accident? Why were you in intellectual dishonestly acting like Nanado was so wicked that he did not want to save the lives, the kidney, the forest, the waters of our country? And now you are trying to explain why John Mahama cannot wake up one day directly and declare state of emergency. Professor Gyampo, your intellectual dishonesty has shown, has proven, has actually made us understand, say, you, such people of your character, does not deserve to be teaching in the tertiary institutions because you are criminally minded and you are ready to do everything that will let you benefit directly. Wicked soul like yours, the Lord of Almighty will deal with you. And what you did to Nanado, someone will deal worse than you. That will denigrate you. We have already a video footage that shows that you go on bed with the guests to give them a certificate. Now there is clear evidence. Say you are a stomach direction dishonest intellectual. May the Almighty God of the heaven punish you for what you've done against the men and the women, the young girls and the young boys. What say your brabo by campaigning for such incompetent bombo-clad political leaders? Everything is falling apart. May God punish you for what you have done. I find Professor Gyampo. I find the one who said a president cannot just wake up one time and declare state of emergency. I find the one who said the state of emergency have consequences are very bad that can affect the economy of the country. Professor Gyampo, I find the one shall say you see your end. I said, and I'm saying, and I'm repeating it again. Apart from so be this slap, the Lord of Almighty will punish you in your life for what you have done against the well-meaning men, leaders of the country who were ready to do the best thing that we can ever have in our country. Now, Professor Gyampo, listen to this video too. We also asked Professor Gyampo again about Galamsey. Dear Prof, listen to the kind of English this man is putting down. Dear.
Doing so, you should also be careful to note that somebody has also been elected and has the mandate to govern. And so where there are differences in terms of opinions, there are differences in terms of what you think should be the way forward. We should also be a bit magnanimous, cautious in appreciating the fact that your view is not accepted by the one who has the mandate does not necessarily make the route he wants to go wrong. And so, I've been with civil society all my life until recently that I got appointed. And we've studied and written extensively about civil society. One of the challenges of civil society is that has been extensively researched and documented is sometimes the arrogance in opinion. The fact that, look, if we say X and you don't do X, then you are wrong, and so they want to. Sometimes, yes, you have to listen to civil society, but sometimes civil society itself must also appreciate that they don't also know it all. And so you can give a view. If it is sensible, it must be taken on board. But where the one in charge also feels that, well, this is the route that we feel we'll have to go, you must also be magnanimous enough to say that, well, if that's how you want to go, so be it. And so, Kofi, I like the banter. I mean,
in the run up to the 2024 election, you know what they
I was just telling you, and now the Professor Gyampo said, I say, hey, you're ready, Uncle, yeah. Prof, papa came when you are Matthias, me perceiving dream. Eh, sir. And then the Professor Kwasi Penny Gyampo say, oh, who said? I was say the labor union for no. I will not come home or your mum pen for no bino. I must say, I was so muni arrogance in from say, so mo can't say, or more than a dear be saying, I was saying, yeah. Na a nipa na. Domna to abama na to me a man no ekaseda bi. This is not the way to go. I was so munyi ahomaso no mfiri omumu na omo accept say the omo ka no ebetumi aye nokre anase ye nokre. But I was so munyi ahomaso mfiri omumu na omo njintum so omo asem na omo ka aye no nipa na ye de to me na man no anje antum so de be ye adwuma. Bra video na medi kan bo kire wo no. Did you hear Professor Gyampo saying, say, Nipana yedi to me na man no can decide neither to follow what he was demanding or not. That be Wankasa. Akufo-Addo should declare state of emergency. And what them call bureaucracy, what that be directly declare state of emergency. But say never. Professor Gyampo, Okasakura, he don't know where to end what he wants to say about. Because he want to massage the reality, the truth, he cannot get to where he want to talk, what he want to say. Adentia, on one him say, he is deceiving himself and he is even deceiving people who are listening to him. Professor Gyampo, Nyankopon ebetiaoka. Nyankopon hatasuro ebetiaoka. Na sabre no mo no, na Professor Gyampo keka nkwasi asem. Miracles abuaje ba bonte meka asabusiamfo Professor Gyampo onye neutral oye NDC ni NDC fo na amane adwuma se onyo na Miracles kan amamfo njini. This is the video evidence of what Miracles said about Professor Gyampo then.
They started looking for their parties, their friends, like Professor Gyampo. That's for Gyampo, and I kept saying, this man is an NDC guy doing NDC at church. No, he's not. And then Professor Gyampo was all over the place, at some point crying.
Even getting looks to
yes,
Utah to go.
At some point crying because of the call for state of emergency. He called his own organized labor disorganized labor, and you know what he said? He said that his own colleagues in organized labor, they sat in their room and allowed politicians to manipulate them into silence. Today I asked for Gyampo, 8 months now, his political party that he's enjoying the largesse of the party being in power have allowed Galamsey to fester so much now. It has crippled in terms of the damage to our forest reserves and our river bodies. Has it been manipulated? Why is he not screaming? Why is he not shouting? Why is he no longer talking about the Galamsey that he so much spoke about? Listen, a few weeks to election, Professor Gyampo chased me with a pact, an undertaking, and said that if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't sign that pact, the next day they were going to hold a press conference and call him out. That John Mahama has already signed. It's left with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. 1 a.m. I went to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia with Professor Gyampo's pact. Undertaking 1 a.m. for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to sign it. At 2 a.m., I had to WhatsApp it to him, take a picture and WhatsApp to him so he gets evidence. So he doesn't call Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia out the next morning. I asked once for Gyampo, where is that pact? Dr. Bawumia did not win the elections. He had a clear plan in dealing with the Galamsey situation. John Mahama made a promise as to what he would.
Yes. And tell us your mom. I only papa in a year. And then Professor Gyampo, and Nima go to the point to say, Omudi onka. But Brian Amelakos Abuaji can say, Sam Crawford, NDC for no. People did not believe it. There is another guy. They say, Feno Kwesi, and as a friend is saying. He was also part of Professor Gyampo group. Nubi. Listen to what he said.
Not a fight that is political. It's not a fight that is just of some kind of social orientation. It is a fight for the soul and spirit of our country. It's a fight for.
Well, say Asema Kwaweyeka and the Professor Gyampo Ka. It is almost the same quote unquote words. Adentia. There was a plan. There was backdoor plan. Yashe that crafting a year, said the barbershop. So listen, this is SENYO HOSI on 2024 talking about Galamsey. If we are 2026,
the future generations that we must defend. What will your children drink tomorrow? Think about it. Yeah. But you know, our very silly leaders in our country, including silly citizens of who sit down aloof and watch all this nonsense going on, are happy to look for votes today, are happy to get the Galamsey money and share it, and drive all those wild cars, driving it on wrong roads, and think that they are okay because their children or whoever it is that they have visas to go out of this country. Ghana ye janka. The heart and love for this country is really depleted, and I'm very disappointed in the leadership of our country. Mr. President, you should be ashamed of yourself because this is your call. I'm tired. It doesn't matter. If today I would not.
In 2024, Professor Gyampo say, MPP amanyo kumpain for a prefer umbenya Galamsey sika na omode atwi cars akese white cars ewo krom more than some best of Galamsey sem bra me say wonders shall never end. 2026, listen to SENYO HOSI asema ono ka efa Galamsey ehutie.
Matter if today I would not allow gold made by Galamsey to just find its way out of this country to benefit some foreigners, and we as a country cannot even at a minimum optimize the monetary policy related benefit. That is not on.
Hey, yabusi anteni yo. Papa nesi ene Galamsey sikano. Ghana buying any Ghana for. We are enjoying it. Maybe we are kuma pa. Bacho any notification bell no, and a subscription no. Biana umfa unsa NC so. Say what subscribe pen so now when I subscribed and ye unsubscribed. Now what say subscribe. Now don't sense ya domano so. Yanto aso. SENYO HOSI na all TM say. Dear na enso ben na ye mabenom ne dache. Enso ben ena a chire mafo ebenom. Yade ben ebebo ye chire for ma. MPP for inform person of problem no. But omo prefer say omo beji Galamsey sika. Na omo dia to talk cars. E dia nante kwamfon so. They don't care who comes later. What will happen to him? That the same man, that hypocrite man, the same man in 2026 we mu. Can't that will say and Ghana Galamsey code no. Impia bonten. Anya hwe no Ghana buying energy Galamsey gold. Na wakwa koton. Eno boa ema Ghana buying enya mfaso wo so. Ewo Ghana isika toto ho. So Galamsey is not a problem. What a hypocrisy. The level of hypocrisy in these people are on. Just I don't know how to describe their level of hypocrisy. And in time I can't say, Sir SENYO HOSI any Professor Gyampo no Omo no omo nya nkwasiafo. Omo ye crime to humanity. Omo ye nipa bone, omo ye nipa binuma. Omo ye nkwasiafo nya jimifo. Omo ye criminals. Yebeke se omo ye criminals. Because ye kese organized crime ye de adwen eye bibi de tie nipa da sani na de nya ye ho. That is what they did. The same thing. It is an organized crime. And as intellectual dishonesties na omo wo man num no. Omo di neutral position bi akavo omo anim. Omo tumetena ase ehihye ye so omo de kokon tia akufo ado aban to make you suffer. To make you suffer. Abra na nanado any MPP amanyuku ehihye Ghana man to become a better place. Senyo Hosi chi asumbom yenu. Yabi wo fata nine jimienu ka ho. Abusianse wo ho. Jimmy Fopa. Nipa wei enka obenya na wache no. Se de na ye ni nkurase. Na wache kire ne nsa ne nine. Na o de na to table so no wabisa ne se eba ne se na wo nsema o ka ne 2024 no ene. Wo sisa wa no se sa ne ma ne ye. Why? What is wrong with you? But meanwhile,